In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize fonts in Adobe Illustrator. If you're working with text in logos, social media graphics, posters, or any type design project, knowing how to properly control your fonts is a must. The good news is, Illustrator gives you very powerful tools to adjust your typography exactly the way you want. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through changing fonts, adjusting font size, modifying styles, controlling letter spacing, fixing spacing between specific letters, changing text color, and finally, converting text into vector shapes that you can edit freely. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over how your text looks inside Illustrator. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Illustrator tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is change the font of our text. Start by going to the toolbar on the left side of Illustrator and select the Type tool. The shortcut for this tool is the letter T on your keyboard, which is the fastest way to activate it. Once the Type tool is active, simply click on the text that you want to modify. After selecting the text, look at the top control bar or open the character panel if it's not already visible. Inside the font dropdown, you'll see a list of all the fonts installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and click on any font to instantly change the appearance of your text. This is the quickest way to experiment with different typography styles and see which one fits your design best. Next, let's change the font size. With your text still selected, go to the character panel again and look for the font size field. Here, you can either type in a specific number or use the drop-down options to increase or decrease the size of the text. As you adjust the value, Illustrator will instantly resize your text on the artboard. This is useful when you're trying to balance typography with other elements in your design. Now let's change the font style. Many fonts come with multiple variations, such as regular, bold, italic, light, or medium. To access these, keep your text selected and look for the Style dropdown next to the font name. Click the dropdown and choose the style you want. For example, switching to bold can make headings stand out, while light or italic styles can create a softer or more elegant look depending on your design. Another important adjustment is letter spacing, also known as tracking. Tracking controls the space between all letters in a word or sentence. To change this, select your text and locate the tracking option in the character panel. Increasing the tracking value spreads the letters further apart, which can create a more open and modern feel. Decreasing the value brings letters closer together, which can make titles look tighter and more compact. Sometimes you don't want to change spacing across the whole word. Instead, you may want to adjust spacing between two specific letters. This is called kerning. To adjust kerning, place your cursor between two letters in the text. Then go to the kerning option in the character panel and increase or decrease the value. This is especially useful when certain letter combinations look uneven and need a small manual adjustment. Next, let's change the color of the text. Start by selecting the text you want to edit. Then go to the Color panel or the Swatches panel inside Illustrator. From here, you can choose any fill color you want for your text. Clicking a new color will instantly update the text on your artboard. This allows you to match your typography with the overall color scheme of your design. Finally, let's convert text into shapes. This step is very useful when you want to customize letters even further or prepare artwork for printing. First, select your text, then go to the top menu, click on Type, and choose Create Outlines. As soon as you do this, the text will be converted into vector shapes. That means each letter becomes an editable object that you can modify using Illustrator's shape and path tools. Just keep in mind that once text is converted to outlines, it can no longer be edited as normal text. And that's how you customize fonts in Adobe Illustrator. Now you know how to change fonts, adjust size and style, control spacing, change color, and convert text into vector shapes for advanced editing. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.